Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to handle equations in Google Docs. This tutorial will be a very straightforward one, quick, and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now, do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole Google Docs interface, you're a beginner, or even a first-timer in using this software, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Now, before proceeding with anything else, I want you to make sure that the Google Chrome you are using is currently up to date. This is so that we can avoid any unexpected errors that we may encounter along the way. Now, this trick will be very useful, especially if you are making lesson plans, you're making reviewers in which you may require special characters that will handle the equation. Now, as you can see, currently on my Google Docs file, I have here a sample paragraph with different text formatting, a header, a footer, an image, or even a word art, in which all of those we already made a tutorial on how to do those. Now, if you're interested on watching those tutorials, please be sure to check out our dedicated playlist compiling all the Google Docs tutorial on our YouTube channel. From here, as you can see, to add or handle equations in Google Docs, all we have to do is to focus on the upper panel of our screen, which gives us all the different options that we can choose from, as well as the tabs below the file name. As you can see below the file name, we have a total of 8 tabs that we can choose from. From here, all we have to do is to focus on the fourth option from the left, which says Insert. Click on it once, which will drop down tons of options that we can choose from. And right over here in this section, we have Special Characters and Equation. Now, to add an equation, just click on this one. And now as you can see right over here, below our ribbon, we have a dedicated tab in which we can insert an equation using Greek letters, miscellaneous operations, relations, and many more. Let's say for example, I would like to create a square root option. I will just click this one, type in a number, click enter or spacebar, and then add another operation, and then we can add some of the Greek letters such as the alpha. We can also add unions right over here, or let's say I would like to add an operation which says it's less than or equal to. As you can see, as simple as that, we can create a set of equation right over here. Now, if we would like to close the equation section, all we have to do is to press on this X button on our upper right corner, which says Hide Equation Toolbar. Click on it once, and now as you can see, we can now add a text anywhere on the document. As simple as that, we can handle equations on Google Docs itself. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. From here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.